In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can add property photos to a record that you've got in your properties database. We can see here that I'm on 36 Melua Street, Dolls Point. Whenever you're on a property record, you're able to select the Upload Photos option located on the right, or you can go to the Marketing section and go to Images. When you are in the Images section, you're able to select to upload photos by choosing this option, or you can drop and drag your images into the Property Photos section. You can also do the same with your floor plans. Let's look at how both of these methods work. If I select the Upload Image option, we can see that it opens up the property folder that I have where my images are saved on my computer. Now, if I want to add these photos, let's add the main, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll upload them by selecting these properties and hit the Open option, and you'll see now that it loads the images. The other option that you'll have is to simply drop and drag the images. So once these are loaded, we'll look at uploading the rest of the images through using the drop and drag function. So we now have the photos uploaded, and I'm going to select 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and we will drag these into the Upload Images bar. This will then process those files and upload them against this particular property. Now that we have all of the photos uploaded, the one that you want to be your main image, you can drag and place that into position number 1 in the top left corner, and this will now be the main image that you can see against this particular property throughout Locked On, and this will also be used as the main image in all marketing and all uploads that you do to external websites. To upload a floor plan, simply follow the same process. You can either drag and drop or select Upload Floor Plan, select your floor plan, and insert that into the Property Marketing Images section. Now that you've got all of your images added for the property, if you go to the Properties section, you will now see, if we look up 36 Melua, that it has a main image throughout the system and will be used in all of the buyer matching and emails that we now start to put together to market this particular property.